Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So, 30th of June, end of the 30 items in 30 days. If I count each individual item that I've done as like one key ring, one mirror, one sticker, then I've done 43. But yeah, I've thoroughly enjoyed myself doing them. I've loved seeing everybody's completions on Facebook and the ladies who've emailed me their completions as well. I've just loved it. It's just kept me going this last month while hubby's been in hospital and while my mum was in and out of hospital. It's given me something to focus on and something for me to smile about. So huge thank you everybody that took part, and I hope you've all enjoyed it as much as I have, because it's been brilliant. I can't remember which ones I've shown you and which ones I haven't. I'm not sure that I showed you all of the buddies that I did. So I've done 12 of those all together. I've got the Avengers sort of superheroes. So we've got Iron Man, Hulk, Spider-Man and Captain America. And then just for whatever reason, I've only got one of the Star Wars ones. So that is Darth Vader. And then we've got Little Mermaid, we've got Cinderella, and then Snow White and the Wicked Queen. I think the Hulk is looking really, really miffed because he's having to stand next to the girls. And he's got a bunny stood in front of him, little tiny Peter Rabbit. I've done the little, these go in your car in the little drinks holder place, just to stop your drinks holders getting a bit gooey. This just needs sealing and then the little tassel putting on it, and that will hang up in the car from the rear view mirror. We've got Paddington stickers, we've got a tiger sticker, a German Shepherd sticker, got a little mirror, double-sided mirror there, so that one was really pretty as well. The slap keychains, which I absolutely love. If I do find these again on anywhere, I will let you know. One lady did ask me where did I get them from, and I have been and had a look. I believe it was AliExpress I got them from, and I've been and had a real good search, and unfortunately they're not available from that store anymore. I know there was quite a few different ones when I saw them, but maybe they were too expensive to manufacture or something. But I just love these, they're just brilliant. You have your own little disco. So that's those 8 little guinea pig key rings, which were great fun to do. Loved them. I don't think I've shown you these are actually just little single-sided mirrors. These were from One Day Saving, and they came in a set of 3, and I think, yeah, they were only £4.34. So they're July last year's unboxing, if you want to look in the One Day Saving playlist for those. And yeah, they're just a little tiny handbag mirror. And rather than being the double-sided, which makes them a little bit heavier, they're just like a single-sided one. If you've just got your bag for a night out or something and you just want something a little bit lighter, a little bit smaller. These need sealing, so they're just still a little bit sticky around the edges, as you can see. But yeah, they've come out really well. Can you believe all the sparkle on this desk? It's wonderful. I love seeing them all together. My little stickers there, my Norm stickers, and they were from GBFKE, and they were from April last year, and they were only £1.66 for the set of 6 of them. So yeah, it looks like, have we got, yeah, it was 3 little chaps and 3 little ladies. So yeah, you've got your little set there, all with the sunflowers. My 2 pencil cases, which were great to do as well. I did do my June sign, but that's downstairs on the wall, so I aren't bringing that one off the wall to bring it upstairs. Far too lazy for that. It's far too hot. And then I showed you these in my last kitting down. These were from Diamond Art Gift, the owl, and I was going to say the owl and the pussycat. The owl and the howl. A woo, and the wolf snow globe there, and then the little pug dog in his smart little coat there as well. So yay. As I say, I've counted it up to 43. If you count it to anything different, then fine. But as I say, I've well and truly done my 30 items in 30 days. Sort of like this I've counted as 1, and this I've counted as 1, and that I've counted as 1. And it's sort of all added up to 30 anyway. I got carried away. Maybe I should was the cry. Okay, I will be doing the draw for the winner once I've got everybody collated. What I do is you put your photographs onto the Facebook page or email me them. For every 10 items that you've done, you'll get one draw into the giveaway, and if you've done 20 items, it's 2 draws. If you've done 30 items, you'll actually get 4 draws for doing the full 30, just as an extra little hey, go you. If you've only done 1 item, that's fine, it's not a problem. You know, it's just the taking part that counts, and you've got something done out of your little stash as well, and that always makes you feel a little bit better, because yeah, we'll sit and look at our stash and say, I want to do that, and I want to do that, and I want to do that, and then you don't get them all done and you think, oh no. Well, I do anyway. So that will be coming, I promise. It's certainly not going to take me a month like it has on the last one. Yeah, I know what I'm doing now. I shall just type them all out as I did before, and then I'll get hubby to pick a number. That's probably the easiest. It might even be in rehab by the time I do that, so fingers crossed if he is. I'm hoping he's a place where there's a garden so I can take Millie, because she hasn't seen him for a month and she's really missing him. And yes, so fingers crossed I'll be able to get him to do the draw, because he likes to be involved a little bit. Don't want to be on camera particularly, doesn't want to take part in any of the videos, but he quite likes doing the prize draws. Just to say he's done something. So I will do, if I can, I'll try and do a little montage, but there has been so many entries, I don't know whether I'll get time to do them all. It took me a whole day to do the one of the 30 by 40 challenge, and there was only 167 in that one. This one we've got hundreds. So it's been wonderful, and as I say, I do really, really appreciate all the completions. I'll leave it open for the full day of the 1st of July as well, so that if you're a different time zone, if you're rushing to finish by midnight on June the 30th, don't worry too much. I've not got a stopwatch on you. You know, just get it posted by midnight on the 1st of July. No, I'm only kidding, just get it posted on the 1st of July. And yeah, while we're still a smallish group, I like to just have as few rules as possible, because I really want people to enjoy what they're doing and not get hung up on, oh, I've got to do this and I've got to do that, because it really is just about having fun. So yeah, and as I say, thank you. You've really helped me in the last month, and all your comments and all your good wishes have been wonderful. I have read them all out to hubby as well. So I finally got his phone unlocked yesterday. He gets a little bit muddled sometimes, and a fortnight ago his phone, he put the wrong number in far too many times, and then I don't know what he did, but he completely locked himself out of his phone. So I had to wait 2 weeks, can you believe, for it to be all reset. I suppose it's security, and in a way it's a good thing, because if somebody's stolen the phone, I wouldn't like them to be able to use it. But yeah, yeah, I had to wait the full fortnight, and as this said at 17:44 yesterday, as this said, you'll either get a phone call or an email or a text message. Well, I got an email and a text message, both at the same time, saying, right, this is the code, go and unlock the phone. So I've had to completely wipe his phone and re-upload it all again, but fingers crossed now. I've put a new number and everything in it, so hopefully he'll be able to remember that, and yeah, so he can start ringing me back up again. Thank you everybody for taking part. It's been wonderful seeing all the completions, and yeah, I don't know what else to say other than huge thank you. If you have enjoyed it, a thumbs up would be very much appreciated. We will do it again next year, so keep watching for next year. And to be honest, I can't believe that it's nearly July already. I've definitely missed a few months this year already. I'm sure it was only like 2 weeks since Christmas. So yeah, it will be next June, 30 items in 30 days for June. Okay, well, if you've got any comments or questions, pop them in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. The prize draw will be coming shortly, as soon as I can get it done. If you want to join our little family, so you can join in giveaways and things next time, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out, so you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Christmas in July, just quickly while I remember, I'm not going to be doing Christmas in July as like a giveaway or anything like that, or as an event, because there are a lot of people doing Christmas in July. But what I will do, because I am going to be doing quite a few Christmassy things, trying to catch up on the things I didn't get done last year because Hubby was in hospital last year. Yes, it happens all the time. Then I will put like a little featured post on the Facebook group. So if you do want to either email me or underneath that post on Facebook, anything that you're doing that's Christmas related, then you can join in as well. But I will leave the Facebook group open because it's been quite fun. It's, you know, chatting to everybody, and people have been asking questions and people have been helping each other out, which has been great. So I'll leave it open for now. Don't feel obliged that you have to keep going on to it. I do appreciate that there are a lot of Facebook groups and you go on to a lot of others as well. I know, because I do. Okay, well, thanks for stopping by. I'll stop waffling now, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.